Okay, the time may not be right on this, but 2.5 hours later, took 2.5 hours to clear this out. There's nothing here now, the front of the driveway. And thank God, had Big Red. Holy cow. If I didn't have this thing, I never would have been able to do it. Dug out the car. Dug out a path here to the trash cans. I decided to stop right here. There's no way I'm digging that out. Not today anyways. Holy cow. There's the snow I threw up there from the snow blower. And the driveway is all cleared up. 2.5 hours of work. Amy wants me to take that. Get all this down here. She's concerned that it's going to cause damage. So I'll take that down right now. Cleared all this out. Of course, that was piled up to the about a quarter of the way up the door. Needless to say, the schools were closed today, but they'll probably reopen tomorrow. Streets are clear, and the snowplow came by and put all this back at the edge of my driveway. So that's what I'm out here now to do. Get the shovel and pick all that up. The street's pretty clear. John cleared out his driveway. And someone, my neighbor, sounds like he's revving up his snowblower. There it is. It's all done. 2.5 hours. That's how long it took.